In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a backup of your website using the UpdraftPlus plugin. I'm also going to show you how to perform updates to your theme and plugin files. This video is created specifically for my web design clients, so if you're not one of my clients, your theme and plugins will likely be different than mine. But if you are a client of mine, this is going to look almost exactly like your back end. So after you log into your admin panel, you're going to visit the UpdraftPlus Backup Restore page. And once you're on that page, you're simply going to click the Backup Now button. And this will start creating the backup of your database and all of your WordPress files. Now, if you have automatic backups set up in the Settings tab, those will get done automatically as long as everything in your WordPress install works correctly. And you can also choose to save them remotely under the Settings tab, so you can save them to a Dropbox or even a Google Drive. There are lots of other services back there. If you're a client of mine who pays for website maintenance, I back those up off-site to a Dropbox account specific to that. So after your backup has completed, you're going to click the little pop-up. And this is also where you're going to return if, by chance, after your updates, anything doesn't seem right or something has gone wrong. You can return to this page and simply click the Restore button on a previous backup to restore your website to its previous state. After your backup, you're going to want to click each of these backup data buttons and then click Download to your computer to save it to your local computer, just in case anything goes wrong. You have that off-site because these are automatically stored on the same server as the website. So once you have downloaded and saved each of those files to your computer, you can move on to the updates. There's an icon in the header that will show you how many updates need to be performed. This will take you to the WordPress updates page. I highly recommend updating one plugin, one theme at a time, and then after each update, viewing your site in a new window or a new tab to make sure everything is still functioning correctly. That way you know whether a specific update has caused an issue. And after each one, return to that WordPress updates page and continue your updates. And here we only had one plugin update and the Avada theme update. Now with the Avada theme, this is going to be specific to anyone who uses the Avada theme with the Fusion Builder. When you return to that updates page, you will likely notice that there are also new updates to the plugins that Avada uses for its page builder. So you're also going to want to update those, again, one at a time, previewing your site after each update. And then something else that's specific to the Avada theme is that after all of your plugin updates have been completed, you're going to visit the theme patcher page. You will likely see the little green circle appear next to the Avada theme there. And you're just going to go down to Fusion Patcher. And you're going to apply whatever patches are necessary on that page. And then you can refresh the page or visit your dashboard because sometimes a new update will pop up after you've completed the other updates. So that is the end of that video. If you have any questions, you can comment or you can email me at heather@heathermarie.design. If you are a client of mine and you're interested in a web maintenance plan, You can contact me anytime about that. Even if you're not a client of mine, I will do WordPress maintenance. And I usually perform that 2 to 3 times a month. I highly recommend performing updates for security reasons at least twice a month, if not more often. But I will do WordPress updates for clients who are not hosted with me and whose websites I did not design, but I will not perform server maintenance on those websites. You have to be hosted with me for me to monitor your server and your hosting accounts. So I hope that that was helpful. Again, if you have any questions, you can contact me in the comments or via email. And I will talk to y'all again soon. Thanks.